This is Eva Martin and I am speaking from Madrid. I am a professional coach and a therapist, and I work mainly with women that are facing personal or professional crises and they feel lost and blocked. I spent many months exploring different platforms to integrate all my work as a coach and also as a therapist in one single place, and I found SimplyCoach. With SimplyCoach, I have everything in the platform, and everything means everything: agenda, sessions, reminders of the sessions to you and to your client, objectives, actions, private diary, a communication channel to avoid sending emails, billing, and what I like the most is the library. I have personalized this part of the platform with my own resources, my own exercises for therapy and for coaching, and it's so easy to upload and to share everything with your client that I am really happy. The support team is fabulous. They are always there to support you, to solve your doubts. They are open to connect with you by Teams, to understand what do you need and to give a solution. They are always open to new suggestions to improve the platform. So, in summary, I highly recommend the platform SimplyCoach if you want to simplify your life as a coach or as a therapist. Take care and see you soon.